Dating and love books. Dating is a stage of romantic relationships in which two individuals engage in activity together, most often with the intention of evaluating each other's suitability as a partner in a future intimate relationship. It falls into the category of courtship, consisting of social events carried out by the couple either alone or with others. The protocols and practices of dating and the terms used to describe it vary vastly between cultures, societies, and time periods. Although dating is most often colloquially used to refer to the action of individuals engaging in dates with one another, dating can also encompass a wide range of activities which fall outside participation in dates. You can buy 12 ebooks on dating and love for only $49.90. You can check the details of the books below. Buy now for $49.90 only. Dating, Love Books, 12 Books Digital Download, PDF. Digital Products. Buy now for $49.90 only. Cyber Love. Digital Product. Inside this ebook, you will discover the topics about the benefits of finding your date online, how online dating site works, finding the best dating sites, easy steps to choose the right dating sites, save time with online dating reviews, free membership dating sites, paid membership dating sites, how to write an attractive profile and finding partner. First-year marriage survival. Digital product. You will discover the topics about survival in marriage, difficulties of the first marriage, the possible solutions to the marriage problems, the types of education for early marriages, the basic soft skills for newly married couples, the hard skills that are needed by the newly married couples, the benefits of marriage survival, the AZ marriage secrets and tips, and the permanent solutions for marriage problems. Improve your relationship. Digital product. You will discover the topics about can you really stay happily ever after in a relationship, building trust to build a better relationship, fix your relationship by improving communication, have common goals to keep interested in each other, show appreciation for your partner, speak kindly, listen, and grow your relationship. 10 ideas to spice things up in the romance department and 29 fun tips to add a little romance to your life. Marriage Help Guide. Digital product. You will discover the topics about the secrets on how to lead a happy marriage life, things you should avoid during marriage and make your marriage a long-lasting one. Marriage saving tips. Digital product. Inside this ebook, you will discover the topics about relationship basics, schedule time together, use love letters and a date night, keep yourself in good shape physically and mentally, put your spouse on the top of the list, and the importance of saving a marriage. Online dating bliss in 5 simple steps. Digital product. The practical guide to internet dating for love seekers. Inside this ebook, you will discover the topics about what you need to know about online dating, what makes online dating so different, making yourself look like $1 million, letting the relationship blossom, meeting face to face, and so much more. Perfect first date. Digital product. Discover strategies to make your first date a memorable one. Inside this ebook, you will discover the topics about prepare for your first date, things to do, what to wear, where to go, conversations, first impression and after your first date. Relationships maintenance. Digital product. Inside this ebook, you will discover the topics about relationship resolutions basics, take care of yourself first, learn how to have the benefit of the doubt mentality, change your blame them mentality, learn more about the projecting mindset, build compassion, change your mindset thinking before you speak, maintain your own boundaries, use affirmations to stay on course, and the benefits of your relationship resolution. Super speed dating secrets. Digital product. Dating tips that really work in the 21st century. Inside this ebook, you will discover the topics about the basics, where to begin, decide on what you want in a person, understand the rules, first impressions, and expectations. The Love Doctor. Digital product. Important info on understanding and expressing true love. Inside this ebook, you will discover the topics about finding love basics, prepare yourself to find true love, know how to recognize true love, showing love basics, be careful of actions and behaviors, be honest and pay attention, spend quality time and say it. The Marriage Master. Digital product. Your guide to amazing communication. Inside this ebook, you will discover the topics about communication basics, take time to communicate in person, tune in to body language, learn to be a good listener, be clear about what you say, using a touch while talking, and the importance committing to good communication. Unconditional love. Digital product. Steps on removing attachments and to love unconditionally. Inside this ebook, you will discover the topics about nature of an unconditional love, how to remove attachments in your love life, learning how to love unconditionally, basic steps in making your love life count, the AZ of love life, 10 reasons why you need an unconditional love life, how to prove an unconditional love life, how to make your love life count for the other, and killing attachments in an unconditional love life. Buy now for $49.90 only. Risk-free, 100% money-back guarantee. We are very serious about this program and want you to be serious too. Therefore, we will refund your money 100% if you are not happy with the program within 60 days of purchase. Umit Sonmez, copyright 2022, all right reserved.